Fox Factory Vehicles is taking the spirit of Veterans Day to a whole new level with the introduction of the Jeep Wrangler Commando 392, a limited production off-road machine built on the foundation of the Wrangler Rubicon 392. This isn't just another special edition. It's a tribute, a performance monster, and an ultra-exclusive offering designed for a select group of buyers. With only 250 units planned and 249 reserved exclusively for veterans and active duty service members, the Commando 392 is a blend of raw power, military heritage, and rugged engineering. Right from the first glance, the Wrangler Commando separates itself from the crowd with a bold and purposeful design. Finished in a stunning 41 green paint, this color pays homage to the original military Jeeps that served in the 1940s. The exterior receives an aggressive transformation that includes a steel front bumper featuring a grille guard, auxiliary lighting, and high-strength steel high-top fenders. The inclusion of tubular doors painted to match the body offers an open-air, battlefield-inspired aesthetic. A Bimini top adds extra versatility, while Commando hood decals contribute to its special edition identity. Buyers who need extra pulling power can opt for the worn 12,000-pound winch for an additional $3,395, making the SUV ready for recovery missions on challenging trails. Underneath the rugged appearance lies a chassis designed to dominate tough terrain. The Commando comes equipped with a 3.5-inch JK Hess lift kit, giving it improved ground clearance and a more commanding stance. Fox 3.0 internal bypass shocks with remote reservoirs provide enhanced control and cooling when tackling demanding off-road conditions. A Fox ATS steering stabilizer ensures precise handling even when negotiating rocky landscapes. Completing the build are 17-inch beadlock-capable wheels wrapped in massive 37-inch Nitto Ridge grappler tires, making the Commando a true off-road powerhouse ready for adventure straight from the factory. Inside, the interior combines rugged functionality with premium comfort. The tan leather seats, embroidered with Commando badging, create a unique cabin identity that matches the vehicle's special status. A dashboard-mounted accessory rail offers convenient mounting points for off-road gadgets like cameras or navigation devices. There is also a digital rear-view mirror, improving visibility in situations where traditional mirrors might struggle. The spare tire has been cleverly relocated to the cargo area, giving the rear a cleaner and more practical layout. Powering this exclusive beast is the 6.4-liter Hemi V8, producing 470 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and a standard 4-wheel drive system. For most enthusiasts, this level of power is more than enough, but Fox Factory Vehicles goes even further. Buyers can add an optional Whipple supercharger for $11,495, pushing the output to an astounding 705 horsepower and 655 pound-feet of torque. Those who crave aggressive sound can also opt for a MagnaFlow exhaust system priced at $3,395, creating an unforgettable soundtrack to match the performance. The most surprising part might be the pricing. Starting at just $69,995, the Commando 392 is significantly more affordable than figures seen on other high-performance Wrangler variants. It undercuts the Rubicon X4XE, which costs $70,940, and is far cheaper than the upcoming 2025 Rubicon 392 that starts at $100,590. For what this special edition offers, the pricing feels almost unreal. But exclusivity is what truly defines the Commando 392. Only 250 units will be built, with 249 available exclusively for veterans and active duty service members who must apply and share their personal stories. The remaining single unit will be auctioned to the general public, making it one of the rarest modern Jeep offerings ever. The Jeep Wrangler Commando 392 is more than a vehicle. It is a tribute to service, a celebration of strength, and a machine crafted for those who understand what true resilience looks like.